Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to get promo code for Pocket Option. If you find this video helpful, please consider to like this video and subscribe to my channel. In saying that, let's just jump straight into the video. Alright, I found the best way to do this is head on to wethriftit.com. Now once we're here, we want to go ahead and search stores. So now type in Pocket Option and then hit enter. Now inside of this page, we're going to see Pocket Option promo codes for September 2025. I'm making this video in September 2025. Now all these promo codes may look different in the future, so keep that in mind. And these promo codes do also expire after a certain amount of time. So if one promo code expires, just move on to the next one. And now to enter in a promo code, so you can see all the different ones. We've got 50% bonus here, 91% off store wide, 90% off first deposit, 85% bonus. So to use any of these, what we need to do is go ahead and click on copy code, and now that's going to copy the code. You might get a pop-up. You can go ahead and add it if you like, but I prefer not to. And then go ahead and paste that promo code in Pocket Option to enjoy the savings.